Today we are working on a Hummer H3 doing control arms. So here's a bad one. You can see the difference. Super floppy. Bushing's all bad. I mean, there's just nothing to it. Versus, here's a good one. Super stiff. Stiff, good bushings. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll take y'all along for the ride. I already did one side. Now we're going to do the other. First things first, let's get it supported. If I'm grabbing things funny, it's because I have a GoPro in front of my face. I'm trying to look around it. Do 10 mils. You got your brake line holder and speed sensor, wheel sensor, whatever they are. Pop that tab. Got that loose. Wheel sensor loose. Nice. That's what we want. Dangle her off to the side. What you want to look for right here is we have for your camber alignment. We'll make a mark where that is. They have a marker here. You count how many tabs down. I'm going to do an extra mark where I can easily see it, which is right there. Now there's one on the inside and the outside of both sides. So, let's see here. Probably going to need another breaker bar. Use your jack as a breaker bar. Awesome. Huh? We got one. Okay. We got two. We got them loose. Go ahead and back them all the way off. Okay, number two, and let's break this loose now. Ball joint knuckle, 18 mil. Yep, 18, and got 18 wrench. Cool. Do a ball joint that way I can set up a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, tap that out, but we want to make sure that we're not too far off, so I'm going to lift this up just a hair. That'll work. Get your mallet. And trying to hit your brake line. I can't get it. There we go. She is loose. Pop this off. So give her a whack. Little tap. There she comes. Okay, got her loose, so they should not be able to flop around like that. Here's where it gets tricky for the Hummer. We're gonna start off with this side. There is a guide, right? A little guide right here. And it hits the brake line. So you have to rotate the guide around, push it out behind it. And on this side, that same guide, it hits the shock. So you gotta rotate it around and then push it out. So flathead screwdriver, or let's take a wrench. Let's take a wrench. I'm gonna rotate this thing around. We can get the right size. Nope. Come on, easier. I hate adjustable wrenches. Okay. So we're gonna rotate it around. Yeah, rotate it around on that nub. We're gonna tap it out. Well, that came out easier than I was expecting. So basically push it out. Now you can see the problem is this is going to hit that. So we have to lift it up. Can't get it to where you can see it. Okay, it's right there, brake line. I'm gonna pull the brake line up while pushing that back, and I'm gonna push it back behind it, just like that. This one we're gonna do the same. Rotate it around, get it behind the shock, and push it through. Got one side. And there we go. Got the other side. Gross. Take this. We can get her shimmy down. Okay. Might have her lined up. There we go. That's better. And this side. Good. It's gonna go in just like this. Just like reverse. I'm gonna put that off to the side. This has gotta go up, back behind the brake line. I really hope y'all can see this, because this is the trickiest part of the whole thing. Get it behind the brake line. Oh. Okay. Mess. So we are too much cambered. Gotta rotate it. Come on, get in here. I might have to get the camera out of my face first. Actually get this. There we go. And she is lined up beautifully. Alignment done after this. Okay, I'm just gonna snug it down for now. Just behind. And then bring her through. This is all about that stupid brake line being in the way. GM, all you have to do is move that brake line. Half an inch. Anyway, we got it. It's all good. It's okay, GM. I forgive you. Now here, see that nub right there? That's our camber alignment. And then I'm looking for our mark. Looks like it was right here to right there. Is that right? Yep, that's right. I'm gonna hold that in place while we put this one on. We want to make sure that we have it going the same way. Hold up. And look at what we got. That's the two marks right there that I made. Double check this side. Marks right there. And bolt her down. Oh, she moved. There we go. Okay, I'm still not going to tighten it up all the way. So I got to snug up this side too. Alright, we got that. Yep, lined up still. Now, we got to move this. And there's not much movement we can do. So I'm actually going to lower this down. Lower down the jack. See. Okay, gave us a little bit of wiggle room. And clean this up. Yeah, nasty. That is a nasty one. Favorite stuff. Anti-seize. Put some more in there. Oh yeah. All up in that. Some in there. Why not? Stuff's cheap. It works awesome. Okay. Go away. Now, hey, jack it up a little bit more. Gotta jack it up a little bit more. There we go. Whew. Whew. Oh no. Ugh. What are you stuck on? Whew. Okay. There we go. Okay, cool. That's one side. Okay, that's the other side. Good, good. Okay. Oh boy, that's heavy. Oh yeah. Bar. And a little bit of slack on it. And a brake bar. That's it. What a mess. Wasn't bad. Driver's side took me an hour and a half. Passenger side took 1 hour. So, not a bad job. Shop quoted me $900. I don't think so. Peace.